let's see a couple of things today. The camshaft's being locked in place. I have put the pin here for the tensioner. Put also this pin here to lock the crankshaft. I already removed the damper pulley. Now I want to remove all the bolts and try to save the seal, because this seal is new. Okay, wish me luck with that. Then, like I said, timing chain tensioner out. I'm not gonna remove this chain from here up. I'm gonna leave locked the camshafts. They need to be careful with the crankshaft to rotate it, to bring up, to bring down actually the connection, to be able to lose it. Oil pump obviously out. The chain, I'm gonna grab it somewhere here. This guide, I'm gonna take it out, don't fall down when we're gonna flip the engine. Here, a couple of parts, couple of bolts. This for the timing cover. Timing cover, the other one, the vacuum pump, the breather need to come out. Ah, by the way, I rape also one bolt. Yeah, one bolt I destroyed. Yeah, see how I did it. And then I hit it here to come loose. I wasn't straight. When I put the 27 Torx here inside to lose it, I wasn't straight. And this is what how it ended up. Yeah, the new damper pulley out, the new bolts out. Yay, how lovely. Yeah. Let's continue. This is before I make it upside down the engine. Yeah, upside down, yeah. I was trying now to turn the engine to make it upside down. I keep it like that for a reason. And I remember I said before we remove the engine, drain the oil, because the oil is fresh, it's new, the oil that we put inside the last time. We make an oil change. Since I opened the oil pan down, okay. I'm turning the engine and I see coming out oil in waves. I said, how? And sending up that the gentlemen, they didn't drain the oil for me. Yesterday I emptied the bucket again. I said, okay, maybe it's the oil that drained from the cylinder head. It came down and they didn't drain it. Okay, let us say this is holding more than a liter. Now today, wasting of fresh oil. How nice, how lovely. The seal, forget it. This aluminum, it's very thin. Always it's ending up like that. I mean, I try, at least I try. Honestly, I try. I have another one here in this mess. Yeah, I don't know where. Yeah, you see, also this one. Doesn't matter how you're gonna do it, you're gonna bend it. This makes this stupid seal one use only. And I have to remove it because there are two bolts that are located here. 1, 2. 2 or 4? Yeah, in any case. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, there are 3. 1, 2, 3 down here. These are the pins. Yeah. Let's drain the oil and try to keep the oil. How nice. We're gonna filter the oil. We're not gonna use it again because we don't know what came inside. We're gonna filter the oil through an oil filter to be sure that it's gonna be okay. Now, how it is like this, the engine, I put one screwdriver there to keep it there on an angle, to don't lose more oil. Yeah. At least I didn't clean the floor before. It was already a disaster. Now it has also some fresh oil. Yay. Engine upside down, the oil pump is out, timing chain out. Let's separate now the connecting rods and then pull out the crankshaft. Crankshaft out. The main bearings. I have the pedal down there. I was removing it. I was passing through the pedal and I was putting it on the table. So the upper bearings, they looks excellent. They don't have any problem. Then the thrust washer, it looks excellent, no problem whatsoever. The connector bearings, take a look how it looks like. And this one, it's perfect. This doesn't have any problem. Alright, let's go here now. These are the lower bearings. And this for the connecting rod, alright? This one, it's the left one. As we see the engine, left. This is okay. One second, because second one, take a look. Third, here, sorry. Next one. Next one. And this one, it's the one that's on the dual mass flywheel. Okay. I'm coming here on the crankshaft. I mean, I don't see inside of the oil gallery anything. I don't see any, let us say, to have some garbage inside. Because if there was something, you can get trapped there inside, but there is nothing there. It looks perfect clean. Also here. Now these are the connecting bearings. This is okay. These are in better condition than the upper. We have to put on the list also the connecting bearings. I'm scratching my head how this is exactly in the center, okay? This mark here, it's in the center. The same thing also with this one. Same thing also with that one. Same thing with this one. Same thing also on the connecting rods. If you watch it, you see the most, it's in the middle. It's like a hell. But again, the oil galleries are okay. I mean, there is no possibility that something came out, let us say, from the oil gallery on the main or on the journal for the main bearings, on the journals on the connecting rods, that it came something out, it hit the bearing here, then it disappeared. It's impossible. There is no any sign on overheat or something. That's a new one. This is a new one. I mean, you have this is for the turbo, the oil feed, okay, and this is for the oil jets. The pistons inside looks beautiful. I don't see any problem. I don't see something on the pistons. Let's bring a little bit this down. There is one small imperfection on the side of this piston, and I don't understand what it is. Talking about there. This is something that's not existing on the other pistons. Don't remember also in which cylinder the melted spark plug. Whoops. Yeah, come on now. Get out. Get out. Okay. Okay, keep it here. Keep it also this here. I have to pass through the petrol also this one. Is it safe to put a new crankshaft and new bearings and close it and call it a day? I don't know. I'm gonna send a link to the customer and he will gonna judge what he wants. Okay, let's see something here. If on the other side has more oil, I cannot see very clear. Yeah, because of this and because of these metallic pieces. I saw something else also. I see something on the timing chain. Oh, this is all over the place. Okay. Alright, here we have the pieces. Need to be washed. Everywhere. I have to remove all this sealant without failing the sealant inside. This, yeah. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna ask the owner what he wants to do, how to continue. Because I have no clue what's going on with the pistons, especially here on this one. I don't know why to be like that. It might be like this from before. I don't see any hot spot, something on the piston. Okay, yeah, it looks nice. Okay, that's it for now. That's it for now. Here I cannot see because it has an oil. Okay. Yep. We're gonna dump inside one crankshaft, new bearings, and call it a day. I'm gonna strip it off completely. I don't know. We're gonna see. We will gonna see. It's weird. I mean, okay. The connection bearings, the upper connection bearings, it might be from pre-ignition detonations, let us say, okay, but okay, this one get away, let us say, and the main bearings, doesn't make any sense to me. Like I said, that's it for now. We're gonna see how we're gonna proceed. Thank you.